Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to add meta title and description for your WordPress pages, and it will be a full guideline on SEO for WordPress. So I hope this video will be really helpful for you. So I will request you to watch the video till the end. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. As you can see, this is our WordPress website, and if you saw the front end design of our website, it's really cool. So I'm going to do SEO for this website to rank higher in Google search engine. So how I can do it? It's a really simple one. WordPress, you just need to visit on plugin, then click on add plugin. Once you click over here, then you will get this shop option where you can install any plugin you want for your website. So here I'm going to search my plugin. If you search only SEO, then they will give you a couple of options on this box. Here as you can see, rankment SEO, then used SEO, both are really useful for users. So in this video I'm going to use rankment SEO for my website SEO. Just click on install and it will take a while, so you need to wait a bit to complete this procedure to install it. Then we will go ahead. So here you can see that our rankment SEO has been installed, so I'm going to activate it for using on my website. Just click on activate. Once I click over here, then they will ask us to connect free account. So I'm going to connect free account. Just click on this, then create an account. I am going to choose this Google to create an account. Then here just select this one and then click on continue. So the process is really simple, as you can see it. So our work has been done and we are going to use the rankment free plan. So click on OK, activate now. Once I click over here, then now eventually you can see they are giving us the getting started option, or you can redirect to the dashboard. It's totally up to you. So I am going to explore it one by one, so I can gather the knowledge about rankment and you will get knowledge about this one too. So click on start wizard. So here they are telling us website alternative name that will be subscribe. Then they give telling us to add logo for Google and default social share email. So I'm going to ignore this one. Just click on save and continue. They are telling us to connect Google service. So here you can see benefit of connecting Google account, verify site ownership on Google Search Console in a single click, then track page and keyword ranking with the advanced analytics and many more. So I don't have any Google account yet, so I'm going to click on skip this step and sitemap. It is the mandatory to do SEO on your website. Just click on save and continue. And now here you can see SEO tweaks. This one is already set up, so I'm going to click on, and now our work enable auto update for the plugin, and just click on setup. And role manager, I'm going to enable it and click on save and continue. Then here you can see for monitor, so I'm going to select this one, also this one, and now they are telling us tools. Similarly, I'm going to click on save and continue, and our work has been done over that place. So the process is very simple to activate this rankment SEO for your website. Now you already been install your rankment SEO on your website. Now what should we need to be do? So if you see this is our website, so I'm going to click on edit with Elementor option, and it will redirect us to editor panel where we can edit whatever we want in this page. So now you can see this is the interface. Here we can easily do whatever we want. So now there is an instant thing we found out that's called SEO. Here you can see this one. So here you can see we have options like this, then general, then this one advanced, also scheme, and next one is social. What is the work of these things? So here you can see we have couple of error over that place. As you can see, If you want a good result or good SEO for your business, then you just need to be overcome these errors, and you need to be make it properly to like familiar with Google or search engine. Then it could be easily rank your website on search engine. So how I can do it? So here they are password, they are telling us to make a keyword for our website. Like keyword means the thing that is works or plays a major role for your business. Like you are doing a business on digital marketing, then your keyword will be digital marketing. Then you are like giving service on keyword research, then it will or it belongs to SEO. SEO will be your keywords. So here I'm going to helping your business to find top service. So here I'm going to find out an keyword for my business that will be something like anything I can think. So here I'm going to click on Ahrefs. It's a great platform to do keyword research. So let's go, and it is free. Let's go, and now I'm going to search an business planner, and let's find keywords, and let's check this out. Yeah, we had couple of options. Then we have quotient, business planner, and then let's find something more business. Let's find keywords. Okay, I already get a couple of options. So here you can see the search volume is really anything. So I'm going to choose this one, business casual, and now I'm going to paste it here, and this is our keyword. And let's click on focus keyword does not appear in the SEO title, so you need to change your title. So how you can do it? Just click on fix with AI, or you can do it by your own. Just click over here, and then you will get option to change your site identity. So I'm going to add this one and also this one. Let's come back here and click on SEO. Your does not appear in the SEO title, so here give it a try. Okay, let's click over here SEO title. Don't click. Oh, let's come back to this place. Here we will have these options to change it. So we need to find out where is the options to change this thing. So let's find out. There is a problem I think I got. That is, we are not allowed to edit it. So just click reload. Like if sometimes it happens, you just need to find out the solution, how you can fix it as fast as possible. So here we can see this is just a draft, play around, and well, you will be think it will work. So I think I will get another problem. It is a loading issue, so I need to load it again. So here you need to be wait a bit, so let's wait. So here you can see finally we are able to change this title. So I'm going to add the keyword I already get. So here I will click on advanced, then click on this one and SEO. So our keyword is business casual, so I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to add this business casual over here. Let's go and add this one, casual, and now let's go and visit that place, SEO. So key focus keyword does not appear in the SEO title. So title means this one. So how I can change it? It is really easy. So you just need to click on this one, and let's find out where is the options title. So I did not find it yet, so I'm going to click on focus keyword, focus not found in your SEO meta description. So meta description I will find out from that place. Just select this one and click on this site identity, meta site description. This one will be site title. Just click on save changes. and back to editor, and it will take a while again. And click on view revisions. Here we already get options, so this way you can easily do your SEO for your website. I hope you understand how easy the process was, and they already give you the options, like if you need to be do develop, then they will mention you or notify you to change the thing, then like they will guide you whole time on your work. So I hope this video will be really helpful for you. If you think you have a question related to this video, then ask me on the comment box. I will give you all the answer there. Let's wrap up the video over here. Have a good day. Till then, have a good day.